How to use Gamma to create slide decks for your business. So this platform is called Gamma and it uses AI to help you create slide decks you can use in business, whether it's to send a pitch deck to a client or to create a carousel post for LinkedIn, or even to create a presentation that you're going to speak about on stage. You can use Gamma for all of these things. I'm just going to show you 4 different ways you can create a slide deck in Gamma. Go to this link down below to get started. I'm just going into Create with AI. So this is an AI platform. There's 4 different ways we can do it. So we can generate from a one-line prompt, paste in text, create from a template, or import a file or URL. So I'm going to show you, first of all, how quick and easy you can do these. So if you go to generate, bearing in mind if you have the free account, you will be using AI credits as you go. However, I used a free account for quite a long time before I ended up having to pay for Gamma, and even paying for it's only £10 a month for creating the work this fast is a really good deal. So describe what you'd like to make, and I'm going to click in here. So this is for a presentation slide deck. I'm going to say 10 slides on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. You can choose your different options here. Do you want classic or do you want studio? Do we want default, traditional, or tall? And then you can choose your language here as well. So I'm just going to click on generate outline, see how quickly it can happen. The generate tool is really good if you are basically staring at a blank screen and you need something done and you need something to get you started, because once you create it, then you can go and edit it yourself. So let's see, here it tells you what you can put in the different slides. Just scroll through, make sure it all works for us. Okay, and then text content, I'm going to say let's have concise or minimal. Choose your theme, what goes with your branding. I'm going to use stock photos rather than using AI photos, and quite interesting to do illustrations as well. And I'll show you that in the next example. But we're literally going to now click on generate and see what it comes up with. And remember, this is your starter for 10. So this is if you need some help getting started with creating a slide deck for your pitch deck or for your carousel post. So we can see it's starting to create the slides on the left-hand side, and I can already see that I'm going to change some of those images. But as I say, this is a really good way for you to get started. When you use the generate tool, make sure that all the wording it puts in there actually agrees with what you yourself would teach. Okay, so it has finished generating, and here we go. So let's just check our slides. 10 actionable steps. So we know that that is not a LinkedIn profile, so we would be changing that. Headline, I would prefer this. I would change the image. So I would probably change that image and upload my own image, which you can do. Simply click on the images and image upload or URL. Okay, so you can see that I've now got the headline in here, and I can edit that, but just for the sake of today's video, just to show you that. That's how quick and easy it is to change your images. Same with this, photo and banner signal credibility. LinkedIn headshot, I would have an actual headshot. So I would change that image to have an actual headshot. So it could be, let's see, yeah, slightly more close up, like that. There we go. And scroll down, check that it says everything you would teach somebody. That looks good. Experiences, outcomes, not duties. Again, I probably would put in an actual example of a screenshot there. Skills and proof recommendations. So it's a really good place to get started from. Now we have our optimize your LinkedIn profile using Generate. So what about using a different way of creating your Gamma? So click on Create New, and I'm going to click on Paste in Text. So this time I'm going to paste in my own top 10 ideas, and I'm going to say generate from notes or an outline, preserve this exact text, continue to prompt editor, and I want to condense the text. I want it minimal, so a little, not very much text. And this time, why don't we try using illustrations instead? We're going for slide by slide, and we want 10 slides, not one. We can break up your slides by 3 little dashes to create slides. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm just going to do it for the first 5. So I'm going to click on generate and let's see how different it looks now. It's the same topic, but then initially we used AI to generate the entire thing. This time we have used my own written bullet points and we have changed the image style to be graphics. And let's see what it's going to create for us. Okay, so it's created the slides first and now it's creating the images. And you can see on the left-hand side that the other ones are all done. So optimize your LinkedIn profile. Rewrite your headline. Oh, I quite like that. Photo and banner is now creating. I think I actually like these images a lot better. Craft your about section. Turns duties into outcomes and final touches. So I do like this. Paste. So we did generate with AI and then we did paste. So the third option then is create new and create from template. So let's click on that and we can see then templates that we already have. So if you see a template here that you like, maybe that's the one you want to use. So now we've got a brilliant top 10 tips LinkedIn profile, full presentation. You can go in and edit little bits of it. So for example, in here, you want to maybe change this to say your email address, info@louisebrogan.com. So you need to change the actual link and make sure that this works as well. And then that's our slide deck. If you wanted to make this text bigger, for example, you might want to make that, just select it and say that you want larger text. And you can edit that. And if you wanted to change an image, you go in and you change your image. So that was the third way to make your slide deck. And then the fourth one we're going to do is if I click on generate or create with AI, import file or URL. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to enter in the URL from a blog post that I've written myself. And this is my favorite one, not my favorite blog. This is my favorite way to use Gamma because it's using content that I already have. So I'm going to click continue and I'm going to do slide by slide. I'm going to take that image out actually. So let's take that out. And I'm going to do minimal and breeze. And let's see, I don't want one slide total. Thank you. I want to split your slides using AI. Okay, and I want to I prefer to have, I think 10 slides here, not one slide. So it's 12 slides total, that's okay. Just see how it looks, that looks good. And on the left-hand column, we've checked minimal, we've checked condensed text, and we want it to be UK English. So select that, and that's our themes. And okay, we are ready to go. I'm going to click generate. So this is our fourth option. So we had generate with AI completely from an idea. We had pasting in a bullet point list. We had creating it from a template of one of Gamma's templates. And then the fourth one is pulling in content I have already written on my own blog. And this is why, because it's showing my own images in here without me having to go and duplicate work because I've already done this work over on my website. When this video was created and it's live on YouTube, I'm going to use this actual slide deck as a carousel post on LinkedIn. So come and connect with me on LinkedIn. You'll be able to see it on screen. Do go and check out Gamma. I'll put a link for you down below to go and check it out. You can use the free version and create quite a lot of content from it. It's when you understand how to use the platform, like you add your own images and you don't use AI to generate images, you keep a lot of your AI credits. But to pay for Gamma is £10 per month. I think it's really valuable if you are creating slide decks and pitch decks for your business. So here we go. We've got the slides now using my own words. And that looks really great. So if I wanted to post that onto LinkedIn, I can go click on share and I can literally export it directly to LinkedIn if I want here. I prefer not to do that. I would rather export it to a PDF. And it says I've got 3 slides have slightly overflowing content. That's okay. I'm going to have a look at it. And whenever I have the PDF, that's how I'll upload it into LinkedIn. All right, I hope you find this really useful. 4 different ways you can create pitch decks, slide decks, presentations using Gamma in under 10 minutes.